if calling it a problem causes you to feel like crap, we'll call it something else. I don't think people understand the significance of language. Like, do you have to go to work, or do you get to go to work? Well, depending on the language you use, depends on the meaning that you get from it.
Changes your whole day.
100%. Does the child have to go to school? Does the child get to go to school? If you're this little African kid in there, in Somalia or whatever, who's gets to go to school and recognises that they get to go to school, they have a whole different outlook on it, as opposed to the child that thinks they have to go to school. So language itself, is a massive thing that needs to change. That's one principle. Is it a problem, or is the problem the opportunity?
Yeah.